Why does your scanner show the P0714 engine code? What does it mean? P0714 is a diagnostic trouble code for transmission fluid temperature sensor A, circuit intermittent. This engine code indicates that it indicates that the PCM is detecting an issue with the transmission fluid temperature sensor's ability to reliably communicate its readings. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Transmission fluid temperature sensor, wiring and connections, transmission issues, other potential causes. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Honda Civic, Nissan Altima, and Chevrolet Silverado models. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.